My objective is to create 4 storage cleat pieces, each measuring 3/4 of an inch by 3/4 of an inch, and I have a couple different lengths. I have 2 individual pieces and 1 larger piece that I need to split and get 2 pieces out of. I'm going to begin by ripping my pieces to 15/16 of an inch. Now I do already have one pretty good edge. I am not worried about the mill marks at this point. I just need a good edge to put up against the fence. Those 4 pieces will then be run through the planer, alternating sides until I can bring them down to 3/4 of an inch by 3/4 of an inch. And I can then cut each of those to length. And that leaves me with 4 pieces, all of which are 3/4 of an inch by 3/4 of an inch. 2 of them have a length of 14 1/4, and the other 2 have a length of 45 inches.